Hey guys, Nick Josephson, welcome to Code Red Defense. Very, very important video today. Footwork is your base. I was teaching a seminar in Athens, Greece, and people were doing drills, and a lot of times their feet was like this, right? They were parallel. Now, this is the worst stance you can have in the street. Why? If I push, I lose balance. It's easy for the person to take down. So your fighting stance is this. This is my fighting stance. When I was working at the club, I was always here. Why? One step in, one step back. Okay? So I have good balance to strike, to move. I have access to all my weapons. So you're looking at your boxing stance, right? You're here. So I'm from here, here, or here. So if this was my center line, one foot's in, one foot out. Okay? Again, so come over here, Pat. I'm here, I'm talking to him. Why? I can knee, I can palm strike. If he goes for a tackle or to take me down, my hands are here. They're up and I have a solid base. If he grabbed my leg, I'd be able to strike, right? If he tried to push me, he did this, I'm right here. My stance is, I'm right in my stance. If I'm here and he pushes, right, I do this. Right? So you want to have one leg forward where I can move forward, I can move back, I can move off to the side. And again, I'm in a passive stance, I'm here. So when I talk to my attacker, I'm exactly like this. I'm talking to him here, here to here, I'm trying to defuse the situation. He has no clue that if I decide to strike, boom, I'm here, boom, I'm there. If he decides to strike, I'm here to block or to move. I'm one step away from my fighting stance. I'm not doing this, I'm not wide, I'm not getting fighting stance, I'm just here, right? And now, the next thing, if the person's moving around me, as you guys can see, I'm pivoting. Gotta practice this. So Pat, let's see the guy's walking in my face fast, go. Now look how I just shifted him. With one move, go again, Pat. Boom. That's all I did. Just walk towards me like you're giving me attitude. Look at it. Boom! He's open right there. So what do? Practice this. Just shift. Shift. So if he comes here, right, now go. So come here, walk towards me here. So if he does this, I'm going to shift here now. He's here, I'll shift here. Look, I'm only doing this, I'm pivoting. Alright? Why? Because go, Pat, if I do this, walk towards me. If I do this here, boom, I'll strike him there. So with one pivot, I'm off to the angles. It's about understanding angles, right? I see sometimes people, they do stuff like this, or they move here. So learn how to just pivot here, pivot here. So practice this at home, just do this. So I'm here, he walks here, I'm here.
Or sometimes they just don't even move at all.
Yeah, if they don't move, then I'm here. Then I'm talking here. Look, I'm in my fighting stance right now. If I was talking...
I mean, let's say, making the mistake of you not moving.
Yeah, you want to keep moving.
Yeah.
Right? I'm going to be always here. Why? I want to force him to move.
Yeah.
I want to force him to move. If I don't want to stay static because he's going to set up his punch. By me forcing him to move, I'm also creating an opening to strike him. Okay? So practice the pivot. Just doing this. Find a point. Just practice this. Here. And you see, with one movement, come towards me, Pat. With one movement, I'm here. Boom! I'll strike him right there. So guys, very important video because your base is your footwork, right? Your power is generated from solid ground to your hips. And as well, with one movement, one motion, I control where the person is going to go on to set up my strike. But guys, if you want to learn more self-defense, you got to go visit our website, codereddefense.com. We have a footwork, just a footwork video that teaches all this. We'll put the link in the comment box, as well as let us know what are some of the questions and safety tips you want to know, because that's what we're doing. We're taking your questions. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and stand strong.